Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make a custom status on the Discord. So if you want to enjoy this new feature of the Discord, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and log into your account. Now go to the profile from the right bottom, and once you will be here, as you can see, you are on the profile. Simply you have to click on the set status, and here you will see different options. Also you will see set a custom status. Just tap on it, and here you can write anything like available and click on the save by. Let's suppose you want to clear it in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, in 4 hours, according to your choice. And you can also select the don't clear option as well. Once you will select it from here, go to the save, and once you will do it, your status is set now. So this is the simple way to make a custom status on the Discord in 2023. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.